In this video, I will share with you my TikTok journey and my reasons on why you should be on TikTok if you're a content creator, an entrepreneur, or both. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're a content creator, an entrepreneur, or a working mama, you've come to the right place. Let me know what pops into your mind when you hear the word TikTok. Kids app, people or teens dancing, funny challenges, Gen Zs. Yes, TikTok has all of the above, and people who are interested in that will get just that. But TikTok is so much more diverse, educational, and most importantly, it has people who would love to hear and learn from you. If you're a TikTok consumer and not a creator yet, how often do you find yourself swiping up from one video to the next, completely losing the track of time? Let's be honest here. Is it 20 minutes? 45 minutes? 3 hours? That scary number should definitely tell you why your content should be on TikTok. It's addictive and people are there waiting to be educated in the most entertaining way. They are ready for you. All you have to do is start. Yes, it's just as simple as that. Does it take a little bit of time to get used to it as a content creator? Yes. But is it worth it? Definitely yes. That's why I'm here to share with you my experience with the platform. If you're new to my channel, my name is Veronica. I'm a co-founder of a modest activewear brand for Generation Apparel, a content creator and photographer. I share my business journey along with its ups and downs, practical advice and valuable lessons to inspire women like me to start working for their dreams, pursue their passion and craft the life that they deserve. Without further ado, let's dive right into this video. So let's look back on my reasons for starting TikTok. I've been a creator on Instagram for 3 years. I've been a creator on YouTube for over a year. I've had a podcast for quite a few months now. TikTok was just one of those platforms that was trending, and as a content creator, I knew that eventually I had to be on it. I became aware of TikTok in July 2019 when we were traveling in Perth. It was actually my husband who kind of started the conversation. He was like, "Oh, hey Veronica, have you heard of that dancing app?" I was like, "What?" It's like, "Oh yeah, like Gary Vee talks about it all the time." I'm like, "Oh, Gary Vee talks about it, I better check it out." So that's when I downloaded it. Yeah, and then I was a TikTok consumer, just like maybe you are right now. So when did I actually start creating content? Well, almost a whole year later, in May 2020. What? Why did I wait a whole year? Like, trust me, I ask myself the same question all the time, but it is what it is. I was scared. I wasn't familiar with the platform. I knew I wasn't into dancing, and yeah, I just didn't know what to do with it, and I didn't care enough to sit down and figure it out. I can't carry on with this video without giving a huge shout out to Sana and Will Saleh. They're known as Saleh Family. They are very big on YouTube now as well, but they are huge TikTok creators. But most importantly, Sana is one of my really good friends, and she was the one who really motivated me and gave me the push to start creating for TikTok. She literally gave me TikTok coaching sessions over Instagram voice messages. We were going back and forth, and she was telling me that it's not as hard as it seems. I just needed to start playing with it and start trying things out to get familiar with the platform. She actually gave me a lot of invaluable advice when it comes to starting out completely fresh on TikTok. And Sana, thank you so much for that. I started creating on TikTok just like with my Instagram account and YouTube account. I really wanted to provide value and meet my people. And TikTok had plenty of those. That was just another platform that I needed to figure out as a content creator and start spreading my message there. So how did my account grow since when I started on the 7th of May of 2020? It was slow for a little bit, and when I say a little bit, a few days, and then I did a video that went semi-viral, and suddenly I started getting a lot of comments and likes and a lot of new followers. That's when I truly saw for myself that TikTok has an amazing reach. And if your content is good, it will reach the right people in a very short amount of time. Then I had another video go semi-viral, and then another one. And that's how I started getting all of those new people in my corner, a lot of engagement. A lot of those people started following me on Instagram, and my content on TikTok sparked quite a few very interesting conversations. As a content creator, that's what I'm here to do. Guys, it literally takes one video. It takes one video for your account to gain traction. You never know what video it will be. That's why you have to be creating all the time and experimenting and trying new things out consistently, just like with any other platform. But with TikTok, it takes one video. It takes one video to go viral. It takes one video to put you on a map as a content creator. Now I'm at about 36.8 thousand followers on my TikTok account, and my growth did slow down, and I know the reason for it. I am not as consistent as I used to be or as I should be, just because Fit Generation Apparel is growing and I am growing a human being in my body. So I don't have enough energy to keep up with every single platform, and I don't have a team behind me to do the work for me. I prioritize and show up as much as I can wherever I can. Since I started creating for TikTok, I talked about my lifestyle, my journey to Islam, my business, my hijab, and personal development. I literally talked about all sorts of things, experimenting, testing the waters, and figuring things out, what I wanted to do as a TikTok content creator. On TikTok specifically, I'm known as a Russian revert to Islam who moved to New Zealand very young at the age of 15 as someone who has a modest activewear brand. The question is, has TikTok actually helped my personal brand and my business grow? And I bet you can guess the answer. It most certainly did. And let me share with you exactly how it helped my business grow. First of all, I am a braver leader who makes bolder choices in her business just because I overcame my fear and started a TikTok account. I let myself explore the platform. I let myself be a little bit silly and entertaining. I have a little insight to share with you. I actually did sketch comedy in middle school, so I tapped into that a little bit. And at the end of the day, I've discovered different parts of myself that I never knew were even there. Just like with starting my own YouTube channel, just like with starting a podcast, just like with starting my business and going live on different platforms, I overcame that unknown factor when it comes to TikTok. And suddenly I got a boost of confidence. I'm like, okay, I can do TikTok. What's next? Also, a lot of people who found me on TikTok are now supporting my other ventures, like my YouTube channel, like my Instagram page, like my Facebook page, like my podcast. TikTok has led them to my other corners of the internet where I create in a different way. So many of my Fit Generation Apparel customers also found me on TikTok. One of the first videos that went semi-viral on TikTok was the video of me sharing my reasons why I started a modest activewear brand, Fit Generation Apparel, how I started it, and the whole journey of it. After that video gone viral, I got 2,000 brand new visitors to my website. It's mind-blowing. What did I say? It only takes one video. And guys, a TV3 producer found me on TikTok. She came across my account and my content, and then she decided to cover my story on national television. I will be recording a video all about that experience very soon. If you're still not convinced, here are the reasons why you should be on TikTok. I love looking at TikTok as a discovery tool. Just like YouTube, for example. It takes one video to go viral and you can find all of those people who needed to see your content and learn from you and they just didn't know you existed. TikTok is the same. It's just shorter form video and anyone can stumble upon your video. While Instagram and Facebook are there to nurture your community. As we all know, it's very hard to grow organically on Instagram and Facebook, while it is getting a little bit easier again because of the Instagram Reels, which were inspired by TikTok, by the way, which should also tell you why TikTok is legit. But on those platforms, you have to pay to play to be exposed to new audiences. So I love looking at TikTok as a discovery tool that you can pull people in, and then if they really connect with you, they can go and find you on Instagram and Facebook and other little corners of the internet that you are in. So if you want new leads for your business, or you want new people in your community and you want to do it for free and organically, well, TikTok is there. Why are you not on it? Secondly, TikTok content is relevant for more than 24 hours. While with Instagram and Facebook, you post and the same time next day, your content is pretty much not relevant anymore. You need to post again and again and again and again. With TikTok, some of my videos that I posted months and months ago are still getting traction, and that is mind-blowing. Can you call TikTok content evergreen? Probably not, but it's definitely relevant for more than 24 hours, and that is already much better. Thirdly, you don't have to be perfect to create for TikTok. You just have to be authentic you. And all you need is your phone. Do you need an expensive lighting setup? No. Do you need an expensive camera? No. Do you need an expensive microphone? No. All you need is your phone. It's way easier than you think. You don't have to be a filmmaker or very experienced YouTuber to make it work on TikTok. It's honestly very straightforward. You don't even need to have any editing skills because you can do everything in app. You just have to figure out that software, which is very basic. All you have to do is get started and refine your voice and message as you go along. But you have to be in it to get better, and you have to be in it to figure it all out, and you have to be in it to have fun. And I promise you, you will have fun. You will not only be addicted to consuming TikTok content, you'll be addicted to creating TikTok content. And that will actually move the needle in your business. TikTok will help you build confidence and get you outside of your comfort zone. And we all know that amazing things happen outside of your comfort zone. If I can do it, you can do it. And at the end of the day, the most important reason of all, it will help your personal brand or your business grow and reach people who would love to connect with you and who would love to purchase from you. And like I said, it's 100% free. Why are you not on it yet? I started 2 of my businesses on a micro budget, and I was all about being resourceful. And to this day, me being resourceful in my business is the most important thing. The platform is free. It reaches hundreds and thousands, sometimes millions of people with one video. You have to be on it. You have to be on it. You won't know what opportunities are out there waiting for you unless you get yourself out there. There's so much to gain and nothing to lose. Unless it's, your fear. But good riddance there for sure. Take that step. Trust me, you are never late to the party. And there is plenty of success for everyone. All you have to do is get out there and claim it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave me a thumbs up, leave a comment, share the video. Honestly, help me spread the word so I can inspire more content creators and entrepreneurs to pursue their passion, take action, and start working for their dreams. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel right here. And if you want to learn more about content creation, check out this playlist over here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you later.